All right, I want you to take the cable and attach it to this door right here. Now the way you're going to do that, you're going to take it from the top, put it right through the door, just like that. Make sure you have strong handles so it doesn't pop off, okay? Most likely it's not going to pop off because the way these bands extend and come back and forth, and it's put in there pretty strong. Grab the resistance bands with your palms facing one another. Take a nice big step back. Good. Bend your knees. Chest up, shoulders back and down. What I want you to do is I want you with your elbows grinding in your side, pull and squeeze that upper back. Breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in, and squeeze that upper back. We got his knees bent, he's not swaying around. His neck is nice and straight, elbows are tucked in. He's rolling those shoulders back, squeezing that upper back. It's looking good. Abs are tight, not swaying back and forth. His wrists are not bending back and forth either. Keep your chest up. Now, when you come out, you don't want to extend out until locking of the elbow. Slightly before locking, then pull all the way in. So watch this. He's going to come out, slightly before locking, bam, all the way in, squeezing that upper back, looking gorgeous.